Yeah, hi everybody, Dennis here. Thought I'd show you what I got from Amazon the other day, and it's a LED motion sensing light. And anything that's motion, and I don't have to turn on and off, and it goes off automatically, is a good thing for me. So anyway, as I as I open the box, it's on, and I just saw it come on as soon as I did the you know, the little flap here. So anyway, this is the light, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 positions. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, and I think it's on number 4. That's off. That is completely on. Oh, okay, that is on the brightest, and number 4. Yeah, number 4 is a little bit dimmer than bright, if that makes sense. Here is the charging port, and you can see the light. It's not huge, but this is a perfect under the counter, in the hallway, in a dark closet, wherever. And what's nice is it has a 3M strip that can be placed on the wall, and it's magnetic. So when you need to charge this little guy, this is sitting on the wall, it's stuck on the wall, and you just peel it off, charge it up, put it right back up, it's good to go. This is quality. I'm liking this. So anyway, I thought you'd like to see what you get when your package arrives, and this is it. All right, have a good day.